Hello, children. I hope you all are doing great. And also, I hope you have watched all the previous videos of our lesson, Major Landforms. Children, today let us learn about rivers. Yes, children, we all have learned about the various rivers flowing across our country or so many other details regarding the rivers. So rivers are nothing but the form of water, a form of water, an essential life support. As we all know, water is what? An essential life support which is flowing, a fresh water resource. Rivers are nothing but freshwater resources which are not a form of landform, but they are what? They flow on the land. What is that, children? They flow on the land. So they are discussed as a landform, rivers that which flow on landform, rivers which flow on land. Okay, children. The others like mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, these are all land in different form. Okay, children, these are all what? Land in a different form. But rivers flow on the land. Rivers, how they will flow? They flow on the land. Now let us see how they are originated. As we all know that the origination of many rivers like the perennial rivers takes place in mountains, and also the non-perennial rivers is because of the rainfall. The rainwater flows in the form of rivers. Yes, children. So these are the natural channels. What are the, children? They are the natural channels that carry rainwater or water formed by melted ice and snow from the mountains to the plains, lakes, and seas. Yes. So, as we already said, what are they? They either two form from rainwater. Okay. So, especially these are what rivers flowing with the help of rainwater. And next one, water formed by melted ice. Yes, children. So, as we discussed, they are originating in mountainous regions like snow mountains. What will happen? The melting of ice or snow takes place. What happens when ice or snow melts, children? It turns into, correct, water. Yes. So as the temperature decreases or the hotness increases in the particular, what will happen? The ice will melt. The snow mountains will melt. So slowly they will form water and flow in the form of rivers. Okay, children. And where they are coming and flowing, the rivers originating from the mountains, snow mountains, they are flowing in plains. Okay, and they reach to the lakes and final destination of every river, children. So what is the final destination of every river? It is into the seas. They come and meet in the seas. Definitely any river, either it is a perennial river or it is a non-perennial river, both the final destination for every river is in seas. Yes. So these channels start as streams and join together to form a river. Yes. So they start as streams, small inlets. Okay, children. The small inlets join together to form a river. Great. Now let us see some more details about the rivers. From the place of its origin. So from the place of its origin. Whose origin, children? The river's origin. Okay. Mostly all the perennial rivers takes origin is where? In the mountains. From the mountains. And the non-perennial rivers are from the rainwater. Okay. So to its mouth. Children, please look here. So from the place of its origin to its mouth. That means the traveling of the river from the place of origin to its mouth. What is mouth? What do you mean by mouth? A place where river joins the sea or lake. So what is river mouth, children? The mouth is nothing but a place where river joins the sea or lake. Okay. A river passes through three stages. So the journey of a river. Okay. Please look here into the river model, children, where you can see the source of the river near the mountain area. Okay. And the journey of the river, yes, till the sea, the mouth. This is the mouth area, children, of a river. Okay. Before it opens into a sea, it is traveling through three stages. The river is passing through three stages. What are those three stages? Upper course, middle course, and lower course. Once again, so the river passes through three stages from the place of origin before it reaches the mouth. That means before it goes and meets into the sea. It has three courses. What are the three courses, children? Upper course, also known as the young course. Upper course or the young course. Then next, the middle course or the matured course. And the last, lower course or the old course. Okay, children? Is that clear? Yes. Now, let us also look into the upper or the younger course of the river. The upper course or the young course. Most of the rivers originate in the mountains. We know that here the speed of the river is very high. So, what is the speed of the river? It is very, very high. Where? At the place of the origin, where the rivers originate. Okay. So, the river cuts a deep and narrow channel in the mountains because of the fastness. The river cuts into deep and narrow channels in the mountains. So some features when the river traveling with a great speed, what are the features that observed in the upper course or the young course are, children? They are like they form canines, waterfalls, and rapids. Okay, what are they? They form the upper course. Some features of the upper course are what? In the form of canines, in the form of waterfalls, and rapids. Rapids is nothing but a part of a river where the water flows very fast over the rocks. So, what is rapids, children? A part of a river. That means it gets separated from the main stream. It gets separated from the main river. Okay, and where the water flows very fast. Why? Because it is in which course, children? Young course. The name itself is saying it is young. When we are very young, what are the energy levels we have? We will be very energetic, very fast in doing, understanding anything, right? In the same way, the river is also very fast in its flowing. Okay, so what will happen? They flow very fast over the rocks. Okay, that are only rapids. The name itself is rapid. Rapid is what? So fast. Yes. So here is an example for the waterfall, Jog Falls in Karnataka in our country. Okay, which the river originated and forms like waterfalls. They are falling through the steep edges. Okay, children, this is about the upper course.